Good morning to everybody. Honorable Mr. Justice Dinesh Maheshwari, former Judge Supreme Court of India and Chairperson, Law Commission of India, Chancellor Dr. A. K. Bansari Sahab, Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Alok Kumar Buraguhai, Executive Vice President Mr. Ankur Bansari ji, my esteemed colleague from Bar Council of India, Mr. Manoj Kumar, who is the Vice Chairman, Executive Committee, Bar Council of India. He came from Kerala yesterday night. Friend Bhakta Bhushan Barik, member BCI from Odisha, he is also here today. My secretaries, Mr. Ashok Pandey, he is the Secretary, Bar Council of India. Mr. Abnish Pandey, Additional Secretary, Bar Council of India. Register Dean of Royal Global University, Professor Shabal Satyarthi, I have seen just now. He is Professor of Delhi University. Other distinguished guests, London members of the bar and academia, esteemed judges and evaluators, and most importantly, bright young participants from across India. I am told that 64 teams have joined. I don't know now how many teams are here today. It is a privilege to be here in the inauguration of the 38th Bar Council of India National All India Inter-University Moot Court Competition 2026. I bring to you warm greetings from the Bar Council of India, and I congratulate the host institution and the organizing team for taking up this responsibility with such earnestness and pride. This is the first time in the Northeast history that Bar Council of India with Royal Global University that having this moot court competition, inter-university moot court competition here. Dear students, India's legal profession is one of the strongest pillars of our democracy. Courts can pronounce judgment, legislatures can enact laws, but the life of law is carried forward daily by advocates. Through preparation, through persuasion, through courage, and through ethics. That is why moot courts are so significant. They do not merely test knowledge, they shape a lawyer's character. A moot court teaches something that cannot be taught by notes alone, the habit of thinking like an advocate, quickly, precisely, and fairly. It teaches you to argue with strength but without arrogance, to disagree without disrespect, and to accept that the purpose of advocacy is not drama but justice. A moot court competition is not merely an event, it is a living classroom where the law steps out of textbooks and into human voices, where principles find arguments, where faces meet interpretation, and where young minds learn that justice is not an abstract idea but a disciplined pursuit. Each edition of this competition has strengthened a national tradition to train future advocates in rigorous reasoning, ethical responsibility, and advocacy in rigorous and dignified advocacy. To the Assam Royal Global University and its Moot Court Society, I must say this: hosting a national competition of this stature is an act of institutional commitment. It signals that legal education is not confined to lectures alone. It is shaped through practice, stimulation, research, and courage. You stand before a bench and say, quote, "Your Honor, this is what the law demands," unquote. Thank you for creating a platform where merit competes with merit and learning is the ultimate winner. Dear students, the legal profession is undergoing rapid transformation. The courtroom remains sacred, but the world around it is changing. Technology is reshaping evidence and procedure. New areas of law are emerging. Society's expectations from justice delivery are rising, and the lawyer's role is expanding beyond litigation into policy, mediation, corporate advisory, rights of advocacy, and public service. In this changing world, voting matters more than ever because it trains the one skill that ever becomes outdated, structured thinking under pressure with respect and restraint. A good voter learns three things early, what I call the three C's, that is clarity, credibility, and conduct. Let me also speak for a moment about what the Bar Council of India stands in this context. The BCI, the Bar Council of India, mandate is not only regulatory, it is deeply aspirational. It is to ensure that India's legal profession remains competent, ethical, disciplined, and worthy of public trust. We want legal education to produce not merely graduates, but able advocates who can carry the Republic's faith in the rule of law. All participants, you are here to inculcate habits of reading widely, thinking carefully, and presenting responsibly. Inculcate those habits and success will follow you long after this competition ends. I also wish again acknowledge the presence of Honorable Justice Dinesh Maheshwari, former Judge Supreme Court of India. Only once I met him on that last occasion and he agreed, my Lordship agreed, and come to today he is here before us. Even after his busy schedule today, yesterday evening he came and today he will be leaving Lordship because of his busy schedule. I thank Lordship. To the faculty, the mentors, your role is functional. When you correct memorial, when you ask a student to recheck a citation, when you insist on better structure rather than better rhetoric, you are shaping the profession. India's constitutional promise is profound: equality before law, access to justice, and dignity for every person. But promises become reality only through institutions, and people are the backbone of the institution. The advocates of tomorrow who are seated here will carry this promise forward in the trial courts, high courts, tribunals, and the Supreme Court, in rural legal aid camps and metropolitan boardrooms, in constitutional litigation and community mediations. Recently, on 26-27 of December, the Bar Council of India and Bar Council Trust had organized All India Mediation Conference at Goa, where Chief Justice of India and other honorable judges from different states were present. That was that huge gathering. Everybody participated in that mediation conference. Today, I urge each participant to also remember your legal education is not only a career pathway, it is a nation-building responsibility. I once again congratulate the organizers, welcome all participants, and wish for the successful of the 30th Bar Council of India National All India Internal University Moot Court Competition 2026. Thank you. Thank you.